Hello everyone, welcome to the class. As you can see, there's an empty bottle on the screen. Today we're going to convert this empty bottle into very attractive and beautiful showpiece. So let's start. So before starting, we should know what all material is required for this beautiful activity. As you can see, the empty bottle is already there on the screen. So we need one empty bottle, some tissue papers, Favicol. We need acrylic colors. In that we need white, silver and black acrylic. We need scissors, sponge. We need paper dory of any color. You can use a thick cotton thread as well. We need pencil, brush for painting, and most importantly we require this chana dal. This chana dal is very important. So we need all these materials. So let's have a look how to start. So first we need to paste these tissue papers on the bottle. So how do we cover this bottle? So for that we need to make this glue. We need to take Favicol and we'll mix water and then like this you need to make it. And then we apply this glue on the bottle and then start sticking these tissue papers one by one. Just crumple it once and then fix it like this. We need to cover this whole bottle with the tissue paper like this. This we need to keep on doing. To cover this whole bottle with this tissue paper. As we need a base, so that's why we are putting this tissue paper to create some textures. You should not put so much of water in the glue. It should be a little thicker. Then this paper will be stick fast and dries up soon. I am covering up the top of this bottle like this. Now like this we need to cover this whole bottle with the tissue papers. You know why we are using this tissue paper? You know, for the decoration we need a surface where the things can be stick. As we have seen that bottle is so smooth and silky and slippery. So on this silky slippery surface we can't stick anything on that. So we need a base. So this base is required. So after covering the bottle will look like this. And now we are going to keep it for drying. It will take half an hour for drying. So after drying we're going to decorate. So we have to wait for this bottle to get dry. As you can see, our bottle is totally dried up. So now time to decorate this. Now we need to draw some pattern on it for decoration. So I have already prepared a pattern on this. As you can see the pencil linings. So now we'll start decorating it with chana dal. Now let's start. How to do it? Now first we're going to draw on this any of your choice pattern. Then apply a Favicol on this and then let it be for semi-dry. Then like this. Now it is visible. I have drawn this pattern. Now here also I'll leave it for semi-dry. Like this. Here also. This much only. So now I'll start putting up the chana dal from here. You're not supposed to leave any gap. Should be close to each other like this. You stick it like this. You have to follow the pattern and then now why I have choose chana dal to decorate it, because it is easily available at home. For this you need to add this dori in between here. The extra. You can set this dori with the help of pencil. A bit, just press it in. Just one more time, we're going to over here as well. again press it with the pencil like this. Now again here also this side. As you can see, my chana dal is already pasted on the pattern. Now I'm going to paste this paper dory around this. So I have completed my pattern with chana dal. Now I'm going to complete my pattern with this. The rest of my pattern with this dory. Now again with the pencil we need to press it like this. Now here again I'm going to take a dory and just wrap around this here, just cut it. So almost my design is ready. Just press it a bit with the pencil to fix it like this. Sting the chana dal and the dory here. So I'm going to create something somewhere here also, like the way I have done. Now I'll have to put some more like this here. When you rotate the bottle, so it will not look empty and it will look balanced. So both the sides done. Now let it dry and then we'll paint this bottle with your choice color. While decorating this bottle, I thought why not I take antique look to this bottle. So I plan to paint it like, as my house interior is all golden brown, so I'm going to make it as a golden brown so it will be fit in my drawing room. So you can also take it like the way your interior is. So I'm taking it like this. So I have taken not black, I'm taking brown, darkest brown. So how did I make it? I have taken a black acrylic and a brown, and I mixed it up, and then I'm just now mixing it with the water, dilute the water, take it like this way, and then I'm going to paint this whole like this, dark. Everything you have to paint it very nicely. So white surface which is there on the base, which will not visible. So like this. Like this you can paint. So like this we have to paint, or like this. You need to hide the surface. Surface should not be visible. So in that case you need to take a little thicker color. Don't take thin, don't put so much of water in the color. Like this we need to paint. So don't forget to spread the newspaper while painting, otherwise you can spoil your table or whatever surface you are using for making this. So you need to be very careful while painting. Do not dirty the surface. Just spread the newspaper under your bottle when you are painting. So it has to be painted very carefully, very neat. Now our bottle is totally dried up. Now we are going to give the finishing touches, like the final touch. So as I told you, I have changed my plan. So I have used this bronze color. But before doing this bronze, you need to make sure that your brush is not wet. This is a dry brush technique. So this dry brush technique is done with a totally dried brush. Totally dry. There's no water in this. So we are giving the antique look to this bottle. I'm applying the bronze powder color for this. This come in little liquid form also if you want that. So you can buy that also. after painting this bottle, don't forget to wash your brush properly, as we are using the Fevicol in the brush. If you will not wash the brush properly, your brush will get spoiled and you can't use it again. It will be, the bristles of this brush will get damaged, so you can't use this brush again. So after finishing it with your work, you need to wash this brush. You need to soak it for some time in the water and then wash it properly in running water. Under running water you need to wash it. Now our bottle is ready. So you can place it anywhere in your showcase, or in the center table, in the center of the dining table, or in the corner, anywhere you can put. And you can use this bottle as a gift purpose also. So it is a very good gifting item. So you can use it any ways you want. So hope you like this activity. So that's all for the class. See you next week. Stay safe, stay healthy, stay home. Bye bye. See you.